In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a voice remote to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smart TV and a smart remote that have voice capabilities, you will be able to connect them. This will allow you to issue commands with your voice, and your TV is going to allow you to search, execute the commands, change the volume, change the channel, the app, and so on. To do this, like I said, your remote and your TV need to have smart capabilities. So I'm going to show you an example using a Google TV and a Sony remote, but this should work with any other remote model and TV manufacturer that you have. So to start, all that you have to do is press a specific combination of buttons and go over to the settings. So on most TVs, all that you have to do is access the settings and look for something like remote and accessories. You will either be going to remote and accessories or find the Bluetooth settings. Once you go over to Bluetooth or remote and accessories, make sure that it is enabled. With this done, the next step is going to be to connect it to your TV via Bluetooth. Now, this is going to differ for every single model. As you can see, for this particular remote from Sony, it is telling us to press the volume button down button and the microphone button for a couple of seconds. But because every single manufacturer and every single model has a way of connecting, the best course of action is to check the manual for your specific remote. And usually you will press a combination of two buttons. So an example could be the back button alongside the home button. It could be the power button and the settings button and so on. There are a lot of different combinations and you have to check the manual for your specific one. But for this remote from Sony, this is going to be the combination. So immediately upon pressing and holding these buttons for a couple of seconds, it is going to be connected. And now, not only can you use this remote to control everything on the TV, but you will also be able to use this smart voice remote capabilities. So you can issue commands and your TV is going to be able to listen. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect voice remote to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.